It's 9 a.m. at a high-volume distribution warehouse, with peak season in full swing. Orders are piling up and customers are expecting fast, on-time delivery. But the operations manager? He's stuck without real-time insights, no clear view of inventory levels, no way to know what's back-ordered, and no idea if today's stock will meet customer demand. There's a better way. Introducing RF Pathways version 400 from Automation Associates, a next-generation, browser-based warehouse management system designed for speed, accuracy, and control. Track inventory in real time, eliminate backorder guesswork, seamlessly integrate with your existing ERP, and manage multiple facilities, all from a single screen. When your warehouse runs efficiently, your whole business benefits. Less stress, more control, happier customers. Upgrade your warehouse operations with RF Pathways version 400, the smart WMS built for 2025 and beyond. Book your demo today.